Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial of C programming for beginners. Hi, this is Sakti Arun, MTech student from NIT Patna. I'm technically supporting the missile engineer. In this lecture video, I'm going to give a simple C program for odd or even in C. So to find the odd or even, we have to use a variable to get the values from the user for getting the values of either odd or even. Okay, so for getting the values, we have to use a scanf function from the user. Okay, so scanf function, and I'm using a percentage d because of integer data type, and we have to use ampersand a. Okay, so why we have to use ampersand a? Because the whatever the values is getting from the user, that will be stored in the address of and memory. Okay, so that's why we use a percentage d, and then we have to find whether the values is odd or even. We have to use if else statement. Okay, and the conditions which I'm going to use is it's a modulus conditions. Modulus basically represents, suppose I take the user is giving a input as 5, then you divide by 2. Okay, and 2, and here also you put 2 and 4 1. Okay, so basically modulus give the result in the modulus. The remainder is basically a modulus result. Okay, so by doing the modulus value, will if you are getting a 1, then the value will be odd. If you are getting, say I am taking a value as 4, so 2 2 4, and the value result will be 0. Okay, so in case the modulus value is 0, then you say the value is even. Whatever the user value is given, it that will be even, and if it is a result is 1, then you say that value is odd. Okay, so this is the logic we're going to proceed for odd or even. So so I'm going to declare if statement. Okay, in if statement, what you do is we you going to use the modulus conditions. If the modulus value is then if the modulus value is 0, then you can say that the value is z. Okay, even so we're going to print the value that printf. With the printer, you can say the given value is even, or else in case if you are finding that value is not equal to 0, then you say that whatever the end user enter value, that will be odd. Okay, so this is how we find a simple order even or odd functions. Okay, so now let us give some values and check whether the condition is working perfectly or not. Okay, okay, now for initially I'm going to give even value, so I'm going to take 6. So 6 is an even value which we got successfully. Okay, if you want to get a test for any of the values, say if I give 76 is an even value, so 76 that value is even, so this is working perfectly. To find odd value, we have to give any odd number, so I'm going to give 3 for beginning case. So 3 is an odd number, so successfully got odd as a result. To test one more values, I'm going to use a 99. Okay, so 99 is an odd value. Okay, so this is how we perform an simple even or odd function with the help of modulus operator. Okay, so when you use modulus operator here, you check whether the remainder is 0, then you say the result is even. Else whatever the remainder you comes, then you can find that value is it's odd number. Okay, so this is simple C program for odd or even. If you guys have any doubt or comments, please post it in the comment section. Okay, thank you all for watching this lecture video.